Tedx theme park. Hubby is a speaker here. Part of a speaker. Very nice. It's doing great. Ready? Something about for you?
No opinions.
You formulate the opinions of others if you don't have an opinion.
Yeah.
Well, it came to your head, so you did not.
Please give a round of applause for Daniel Lloyd.
I was born in 1986 in Joliet, Illinois. There's absolutely nothing in Joliet, Illinois except for a correctional facility, and I always ask my mother, what in the world are you doing there then? And she can never answer. And from that moment up to about 4 years old is when I started to recognize this voice in my head. And at 4 years old, we were traveling, go all the time to all these different hotels. I thought they were hotels, and I found out they were shelters. And we were meeting all these different people, and I was living with all these different families, and I realized I was foster care. And at one moment, this one girl, an older girl, who used to always bully me, said to me, "What are you? Are you black? Are you white? Are you Spanish? Who's your dad?" And I hit it. I didn't know any of those answers. I didn't know who I was. And now, everyone doesn't have the same story of their moment of identity. And the voice is not the same. But we each individually have experienced that voice depending on our situation. You ever wonder why? Some people just really seem to get it. You know, they really seem to be able to think outside the box. They really seem to be able to get past all their hurdles in life and just always seem to have a base. And they told me, one person told me, it's because I have a foundation. I have a base. I really understand my values, and nobody can change my values. There's a quote by a man named Frederick Clayton that says, if we're not able to formulate our own opinions, we're subject to other people's opinions, thus making us slaves. And that's what I understood, is that my entire life I was always chasing somebody else's identity for myself because I was so confused. And I know that a lot of us still deal with this today. Around the age of 10 years old, I actually moved in with my aunt and uncle, and they were both pastors. And so I became, born again. I was a pastor's son. And I still am to this day. I believe in the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. But it took me a long time to really figure out what that meant. And at that moment, I was losing all this blood, and I was in an ambulance. I remember the doctor saying, someone needs to call his family because we don't think he's going to make it. But at that moment, there was something weird that happened. I remember my father. He always would say certain things to me, like, you're a child of God. And you're not meant for this. We know who you are. And it gave me a sense of peace in this dark moment. And when I woke up, I promised myself I was going to refine who I was, realign myself with my identity. Now, I know there's people out here that may not have near-death experiences, but you might be struggling with pain in your family. You might have a brother or a sister or a daughter or a father that's struggling with addiction, or you might be going through financial stress. There's a great quote by Mike Tyson before a fight where someone was planning to fight him, and he says, everyone has a plan until you get punched in the face. But such is life.
Well, what do you think I do all day? I'm like, I don't know, it's a lot. He's like, I'm like almost 30. I'm like, wow. He's like, what do you mean, wow? I don't get out of debt and I don't spend money. And I was like,
Hello?
hello. Yeah. My parents were FaceTiming me, just the houses that they're looking at, and they're so nice.
I'm sure.
Kitchen and all the rest of rooms are upstairs.
Yeah. Well, we got snow today, and now it's like hailing. How did it go from 66 miles to 63 miles? I have to be very careful because I have precious cargo. And Danny is at work, so I couldn't have him go. I really, really need stuff in the house. Some stuff, so I'm just going up to Target, right up the road. Remember I was saying that I cried so much in my last video? I cried again this morning because Danny left at like 9 o'clock in the morning, and I get a phone call from his dad, and he's like, hey, I haven't heard from Danny. He was supposed to be here at 9:30, and I don't remember what time it was by then, but I'm like, oh, he left a while ago. I don't know, I'll try to reach him. He's like, yeah, I've been trying to reach him. So I tried reaching him, and it was snowing at that point. He's like, yeah, there's supposed to be a lot of traffic on LAE. And then I'm calling him, and like, and then talk to his dad again, and he still didn't get in contact. And by this time it was like 10 something, and I panicked. So like, I was just like, Danny would always call back. Like, there's no reason why. If he was supposed to be at his dad's by 9:30 and he's not answering anyone, like, I just was praying and then just started crying. Like, I was freaking out, like, oh my gosh. But he actually was in a meeting, and I don't know, it was a miscommunication, but thank you, Jesus. Today was a good day though. We got some good news this morning, and I just uploaded one of my faith videos, and it's snowing out. I don't know.
That you will take my body, but you will not take my mind. Use the left 2 lanes to turn. You can't have it, or it will become your greatest place of slavery. Right, so garbage in, garbage out is a pithy way of saying what now we know is true from neurobiology and science and psychology, much less spiritual and human wisdom for millennia, that everything that enters our mind has an effect on us, for good or for evil. What we give access to our minds will shape the person that we become. What we give our attention to on a regular basis will shape, grow the trajectory of our entire being.
I can't. So I am baking. It's Valentine's Day week, but it's also my niece's birthday tomorrow. And actually a lot of birthdays. So we have confetti, and then we have vanilla and chocolate, but I'm gonna make like a pink frosting. They're very cute Valentine's Day ones. Alright, now I'll do some chocolate because I love chocolate. Especially on... Ooh, that's a lot. On like vanilla cake. I used to like vanilla on vanilla, but now I like chocolate. I need to get it. I gotta get some first. And there they are. Here they are.
When the dad is gone, her income is still there.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
we're hoping to throw that against mortgage and against.
You're fine. I mean, you're at 21%. I mean, no, you don't have too much house. And,
Okay,
you know, you just walk on up your baby steps. You finish getting out of debt, you build your emergency fund, and you, then you put 15% of your whole household income, quit dividing them up, into baby step 4 when you get there, right? Add the two together. It's 15% of your gross in that case, not your net, not your take-home pay. Destiny is in Lansing, Michigan. Welcome to the Dave Ramsey Show, Destiny.
Running low on my lip liner. A lot of you guys have asked, a lot of you guys always ask what I wear, and it's always either mauve or natural from NYX, but lately all I wear is natural. And I need to go get some because I stocked up on mauve and I haven't worn it in a while. Ew. My hair color is freaking hideous. I need a trim. I need a cut, color, pedicure, self-tan, wax. Just that, I think. Really bad. Really bad. I need all those things. But I must be frugal. I'm wearing this leather jacket. I don't know if you can tell. And it's the one from Zara I got a couple years back. But my H&M OG one that I got like a year before that, I think, I finally let it go. And it's actually really sad because that was my favorite. Like, I love the cut of it, I love everything about it, but it was literally like ripping. And I'm like, I can't be walking around with this anymore, even though I just had a hard time letting go. I do need a new one. I don't really like the cut of this. I don't like the shoulder pads. It like flares out on the bottom. I don't know. But I didn't feel like wearing a peacoat, and I didn't feel like wearing my freaking lammy.
Tell me if I'm up and down a lot. He didn't deserve you, 'cause your precious heart is a precious heart. Here to remind you, you're my only one. Let me be the one.
Is this vlog boring? I think it is. I know what'll make you feel better though. Watch me eat a cupcake. Or it'll just make me feel better. Okay, it looks like I lightened my hair, but I think the coconut oil is just stripping the hair color from underneath. I had lighter. I don't know. All I know is the color. Look at this like weird color. I'm gonna have a bite of vanilla because I had a bite of it yesterday. Gosh. And then I'm gonna eat a whole chocolate. Here you go. Confetti is my favorite. I don't know if I'm ending the vlog here because I don't know how much footage I have. I have to upload it, but sorry if this was really boring. Good morning, guys. So cute. Ugh. I am not feeling so great today. It's so weird because like it feels like I have the aftermath of a cold, but I don't, like I never had it. And I would say allergies, but I have like mucus. Very weird. And I'm just really run down from last night's shift. Like, it was really intense. So, I just need to rest today, and I unfortunately have work later. I feel like this vlog is not exciting at all. Like, I don't even know. I didn't do anything. Not that I ever do anything crazy, but I got nothing. That's what I keep doing. Anyway, I'm gonna go. All right, I will see